For the ANA, I'm Ryan Dinger. As technology changes and data volume grows, the role of data visualization in marketing is only becoming more pronounced. Data flows from countless sources and at a staggering rate. The ability to extract meaningful and actionable insights from all that madness is crucial. This is where data visualization emerges not just as a tool, but as a pillar of modern marketing. It serves as the bridge between complexity and clarity, transforming abstract numbers and statistics into visual narratives that are intuitive, accessible, and perfect for informing smarter business decisions. That's why today's topic is an important one. We're covering 5 important tips for how you can use data visualization to create compelling stories. Stick around and get ready to upskill. This is the POV. ANA members have been loud and clear. They want tips and tools for how to get more value out of their growing mountains of data. One of the most effective ways for any marketer to do that is by telling stories with data visualization. With half of the people in the world saying they are visual learners, data visualization is a powerful tool, no matter if you're presenting to the C-suite, your own team, or an external partner. So, how exactly do you create compelling stories with data visualization? Here are 5 tips to get you started. Number 1, be clear on your intent. The first question you need to ask is if you're visualizing data to understand it better or to make a specific point clear for someone else. How you want your audience to use your visual has important implications for how you design and present it. In cases where you're making a specific point for someone else, it's important that you have a point of view and that you make it crystal clear. Number 2, create the aha moment. You'll know you've created an effective graph when it allows you to see an insight that wasn't apparent before. Importantly, the graph should make the right way to look at the data feel intuitive for your audience. It should never feel like a challenge to view your graphs. Number 3, don't overcomplicate things. This tip isn't about oversimplifying or dumbing things down. It's about not making your data visualization more complicated than it needs to be. Get rid of anything that is non-essential to the intent of the graph. Make it clear where to look and eliminate any additional clutter or distractions. As Antoine de Saint-Exupéry once wrote, you know you've achieved perfection not when you have nothing more to add, but when you have nothing to take away. Number 4, use words to make your graphs more accessible. One of the most important steps in creating compelling data visualizations is, ironically, word choice. There will always be some words that must be present. For example, every graph needs a title and every axis needs a label. Exceptions to those rules will be rare. You want to use labels effectively and consistently so that the audience never questions what they are looking at. Take it a step further by including footnotes with the data source and methodology. Finally, make sure you spell out any acronyms. Number 5, always prioritize the audience above everything else. Like any good storyteller, you want to put serving your audience at the forefront of all data visualization efforts. Keep your audience in mind throughout the entire graph design process. And above all else, make sure that the graphs meet their needs. In some cases, that may even mean softening on some of the other tips shared here today. Using data visualization to tell compelling stories is a key skill for every modern marketer. It will not only keep your audience engaged and help sell your ideas to senior executives, but also serve as an effective way to make your data more actionable and therefore more valuable. Still itching to learn more? Check out our brand new data visualization playbook. It's full of practical techniques and best practices to help you harness the full potential of data visualization, including an entire section on how you can leverage AI to supercharge your visualization efforts. You can find the full playbook at the URL below. And until next time, thanks for watching.